Mysql program number 18. How to create a database. Create database or database name. Program number 19. To create a student table with the student ID, class, section, gender, name, DOB and marks as attributes where the student ID is primary key. So student ID is primary key and all are simple. Program number 20. Insert the details of at least 10 students in the table of program 19. It's mean in this we have to insert these all. So there are student ID, class, section, gender, name, DOB and percentage. Display the info of all student name starts with SH. So at the last, where name like, comma, SH, percentage sign, comma and full column. This output will be generated. To display the entire content of the student table, select star from student. Program number 23. Display student ID, name, DOB of who are born in 2005 according to program number 18. So your command will be student, select student ID, name, DOB from student where DOB between 2005 11 and 2012 31. This output will be generated. Program number 24. Display the content of the table of male students. So the command will be select star from student where gender is equals to M, full column. Student ID, class, section, gender, name, DOB. These all columns will be shown. Program number 25. To open the database, we use command, use database name. Program number 26. Display all the content of the table where section is equals to C. So we have to display the content of the table where the section is C. So here we have only one. Select star from student where section is equals to C, full column. Program 27. Display student ID, name, DOB of student in ascending order of their student ID. Select student name, DOB from student where gender M, order by student ID. So this output will be generated. To display all the content of the table where student ID is equals to 1108. So the number is 1108. Program number 29. Describe the table format without inserting. So we have to show the table format. So the command will be DESC student, which means describe student. This output will be generated. There is no. Program number 30. Delete the whole database. Command will be drop database name. So here we drop database class 11th. The database will be deleted permanently.